How's it going, my friends? Thanks for stopping by. So I've made some changes to the way this exhaust works on the AC now. I put a better, tighter seal around here with Reflectix and aluminum foil tape. And check this out, when you shut the door, it seals up better. See how this closes right over it. Hope that's not too dark to see. But that closes right over it. And it goes right out the back. So you can see my license plate is offset. See a lot of daylight through there. So I hope that gives a better explanation. And the reason I wanted to make this short like this is because in order to make these interior ACs work better, this needs to be as short as possible because these get really hot. So the shorter the better it's going to work. And I've also got a bracket here attached to the door to keep it in place. It's not moving front or back when the door is shut. It's pretty sealed up, but I was concerned with it moving left to right. So I think I've got that taken care of too. And I almost forgot to mention that this is a 8,000 BTU unit, which translate to about 5,500 BTUs in real life. And I'm running it on a 2,000 watt generator. And you cannot use eco mode when you're running an AC. Not enough starting watts for the compressor. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to clarify how this sealed up in the back. We'll do one more shot of it. All right. Take care. Be well. Smash the bell.